Hello fellow gardeners, let's talk carrots. These humble roots bursting with flavor and nutrition deserve a prime spot in your garden. Did you know there's a whole world of carrots beyond the typical orange? Scarlet Nantes offers classic sweetness while Danvers Half-Long thrives in heavier soils. For a touch of whimsy, try Purple Haze with its vibrant hue. Seeking a unique taste? Parisian Market offers small, round roots perfect for snacking. Each variety boasts unique flavors, colors, and even growing habits. Remember, selecting the right variety depends on your soil type and personal preference. Do your research, choose wisely, and get ready to embark on a rewarding journey of carrot cultivation. Now let's talk soil. The foundation of any successful garden starts with the soil. It's the bedrock upon which your plants will either thrive or struggle. Carrots crave loose, well-drained soil that allows for their roots to grow long and strong. This type of soil ensures that the roots can penetrate deeply without resistance, leading to healthier and more robust carrots. Heavy clay soils can hinder growth, resulting in stunted or misshapen carrots. These dense soils can compact easily, making it difficult for the roots to expand and access the nutrients they need. Amend such soils with plenty of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Adding organic matter not only improves soil structure, but also enhances its fertility, making it more conducive for carrot growth. This improves drainage and provides essential nutrients for healthy root development. The organic matter helps to create air pockets in the soil, which are crucial for root respiration and nutrient uptake. Carrots thrive in a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, ideally between 6 and 7. Maintaining the right pH balance ensures that the nutrients in the soil are readily available for the plants to absorb. A simple soil test can provide valuable insights into your soil's pH level and nutrient content. Knowing your soil's pH can help you make informed decisions about what amendments are needed to optimize growing conditions. Remember, a well-prepared bed is crucial for successful carrot growth. Taking the time to properly prepare your soil can make a significant difference in the quality and quantity of your harvest. Take the time to amend and loosen your soil, and your carrots will reward you with abundant harvests. By investing effort into soil preparation, you set the stage for a bountiful and healthy carrot crop. Happy gardening! Sowing carrot seeds is a delicate dance of depth and spacing. It's a process that requires both precision and care, ensuring that each seed has the best possible start. These tiny seeds need a light touch. Handling them with care is crucial because they are fragile and can easily be damaged. Sow them directly into the prepared bed, aiming for a depth of about ½ an inch. This depth is perfect for allowing the seeds to access the necessary nutrients and moisture from the soil. Spacing is key to prevent overcrowding and encourage optimal root development. Proper spacing ensures that each carrot has enough room to grow without competing for resources. Aim for a spacing of about 2 to 3 inches between seeds and 8 to 12 inches between rows. This might seem like a lot of space, but it's essential for healthy growth. This might seem excessive, but trust me, those tiny seeds will grow into robust plants. With the right conditions, they will thrive and produce delicious, crunchy carrots. After sowing, gently water the bed with a fine mist to avoid dislodging the seeds. A gentle mist ensures that the seeds stay in place and receive the moisture they need to start germinating. Remember, patience is a virtue when it comes to carrot germination. It takes time for the seeds to settle and begin their journey towards becoming full-grown carrots. It might take a week or two for the seedlings to emerge. During this period, it's important to keep an eye on the soil and ensure it remains moist. Keep the soil consistently moist during this period. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination and healthy seedling growth. Regularly check the soil and water as needed to maintain the right conditions. Congratulations, your carrot seedlings have emerged. This is a crucial stage for their development. Keep a close eye on moisture levels, especially during dry spells. Consistent moisture is key for healthy root growth. Water deeply and evenly, avoiding overwatering which can lead to root rot. Thinning is another important aspect of early care. Once the seedlings reach about 2 inches tall, thin them out, leaving the strongest seedling every 2 to 3 inches. This might seem ruthless, but it prevents overcrowding and competition for resources. Remember, those tiny thinnings can be tossed into salads for a delicate carrot flavor. Section 5. Nourishing growth, watering, weeding, and feeding your carrots. These 3 essential tasks are the backbone of a thriving carrot garden. As your carrot tops grow taller, their thirst for water increases. Carrots need consistent moisture to develop properly. It's best to water deeply and less frequently, encouraging the roots to grow deeper in search of moisture. This practice helps the plants become more drought-resistant. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This ensures that the roots are getting enough water without oversaturating the soil. Weeding is another essential chore. Weeds can quickly take over your garden if not managed properly. Carrots detest competition, especially from aggressive weeds that can steal nutrients and moisture. Weeds can also block sunlight, which is crucial for carrot growth. Regularly hoe or hand weed around your carrots, keeping the soil clear. This not only helps your carrots grow better but also makes your garden look neat and tidy. Finally, a light feeding midway through the growing season can give your carrots an extra boost. Nutrients are vital for the development of healthy, tasty carrots. Opt for a balanced organic fertilizer or a side dressing of compost. Organic options are preferable as they improve soil health over time. Remember, healthy plants produce the tastiest carrots. By following these steps, you'll ensure a bountiful harvest of delicious, nutritious carrots. Section 6. Outsmarting pests, protecting your crop from tiny intruders. Ah, the carrot fly. A gardener's nemesis, this tiny pest can wreak havoc on your precious crop, but fear not, for there are ways to outsmart them. Carrot flies are attracted to the scent of carrots, so masking this scent is key. One effective method is companion planting. Intercropping your carrots with strong-smelling herbs like rosemary, sage, or thyme can confuse the carrot fly. Another strategy is using physical barriers. Floating row covers or insect netting placed over the carrots can prevent the flies from laying their eggs. Remember, prevention is better than cure when it comes to these pesky insects. Section 7. The Art of the Harvest. When and how to gather your bounty. Patience, dear gardener, patience. The anticipation is building, but resist the urge to harvest too early. Carrots need time to develop their full flavor and sweetness. Most varieties mature in about 60 to 80 days. Check the seed packet for specific maturity dates. When the tops of the carrots are about 1 inch in diameter, it's time to harvest. Gently loosen the soil around the carrots with a garden fork, taking care not to damage the roots. Pull the carrots straight up, using the greens for leverage. And there you have it, a basket full of vibrant, homegrown carrots. Congratulations on your bountiful harvest. Now let's ensure those carrots stay crisp and flavorful. First, remove the greens. They tend to draw moisture from the roots, shortening their storage life. Next, gently brush off any excess soil. Avoid washing the carrots until you're ready to use them, as moisture can lead to spoilage. Store your carrots in a cool, dark, and humid environment. A refrigerator crisper drawer is ideal. Place the carrots in a perforated plastic bag or wrap them in a damp paper towel to maintain humidity. Stored properly, your carrots can last for several weeks, providing you with homegrown goodness throughout the season. Let's delve a bit deeper into the fascinating world of companion planting. This age-old technique involves strategically planting different crops together to enhance growth, deter pests, or attract beneficial insects. Carrots, with their unique scent profile, can benefit greatly from companion planting. As mentioned earlier, strong-smelling herbs like rosemary, sage, and thyme can confuse carrot flies. But did you know that onions and leeks also make excellent companions for carrots? They deter pests like aphids and carrot root flies. Lettuce and radishes are also great companions, as they help break up the soil and improve drainage. There's nothing quite like biting into a crisp, sweet, homegrown carrot. The flavor, bursting with freshness and vitality, is a testament to your dedication and care. Homegrown carrots, free from pesticides and herbicides, are not only tastier, but also more nutritious. They contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to their store-bought counterparts. But beyond the nutritional benefits, there's a deep sense of satisfaction that comes from nurturing a seed to harvest. It's a connection to the earth, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a reminder of the simple joys in life. So there you have it, a glimpse into the wonderful world of carrot cultivation. From selecting the perfect variety to outsmarting pesky pests and savoring the harvest, growing carrots is a rewarding journey for gardeners of all levels. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different varieties, and discover what grows best in your garden. Remember, every seed sown is an act of optimism, a belief in the abundance of nature, and a testament to the gardener's enduring spirit. Happy gardening, and may your carrots always grow long, strong, and full of flavor.